Hi everyone and welcome. So today I am going to try something I haven't tried in a really long time, and that is air drying my curls. I'm not going to use a diffuser. I'm going to see how long it actually takes for me to dry my curls. I never did it when my hair was long. I think I did it when I was in Florida like over 20 years ago because the humidity, it was just ridiculous. My hair was so frizzy. The products weren't that great back then, and I was just like desperate. I'm like, whatever, not even drying my hair. And obviously, you know, in the summer it'll dry better. And I picked not a great day. I mean, it's not rainy out. It's definitely chilly out. Like, it's the windiest day I feel like so far we've had all winter, which is weird. And I'm still getting over this cold, so if I sound nasally, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to use one of my favorite products. This was a repurchase. It's a 10 is the name of it, Miracle Defrizzing Curl Cream. I love this stuff, and I had a hard time finding it. Every time I would go anywhere and I saw the It's a 10 line, I would look, and they never had it. So when I went to Harmon, they had it, and I grabbed it. It's not cheap, but I don't care. It's like my weekend hair product, if you want to say. If I'm going somewhere, I'll use certain products, and that's one of them. So I'm going to use that because it is Saturday, but I don't know how my hair is going to turn out. It might come out great, and who knows, you know, let's see how long it takes to dry it. So I guess I'll take you along a little. We'll keep checking the time until it's like pretty much dry. And I think the hardest part for me is going to be not to touch my hair because I don't want to touch it while it's drying. You know, it's a big no-no with curls. So it's going to be hard for me because throughout the day I'm constantly like kind of like, you know. So we'll see. Okay, so let's put the product in. Okay. Imagine all this time I'm saying I have to dry my hair. And it like takes really fast and my hair comes out amazing. You never know, right? I know a lot of curly girls dry their hair, just air drying it. It's just, I don't know. It doesn't work for me. I also want to stop doing this big part. My hair's so used to it though. I feel like even when I try not to, it's just like kind of happens. So let's see if I can kind of get rid of that. I'm going to put a few twisties with my finger in, not all over. And again, I'm really trying to let my hair grow. I want to grow this part out more so it's kind of even out, and I actually might maybe want to like do one of those like a little shorter in the back, longer in the front. So I'm totally changing it up because I normally have this kind of going at a diagonal. Can't think of the word. And I think I am going to go to Wee Dad. I think I'm going to do it. Just jump on a train and go in the city one day. It's crazy that I used to go in the city every day. And I'm like, now I'm like older and I'm like, I want to go in the city. I'm going shopping today to get some stuff for our living room. I was going to get a whole new couch and I decided against it because my couch, it's a Pottery Barn couch. I spent so much money on this freaking couch over the years. I got new slip covers for them that cost like $800 just for the slip covers alone, mind you. But I got them because you can wash them in the washing machine. And I have to say, it's great. It comes out like brand new. And the original couch did not have that option then. So when they came out with this, I definitely was like, I think we need this. And the reason being mostly is because of my little pets who like to dirty up my couches and sometimes have little accidents. Not pooping and peeing, just like, I don't know. Like, Wilma would like throw up on the couch. I know it sounds gross, but she's like a little chubster. She likes to eat. So if there's food, she's eating it, and maybe she overdoes it. I don't know, but I'll come home sometimes from work. And I know I should just use couch covers, right, for pets. I know that's never going to happen because I'll start it and the girls will come home and they're never going to put it back on. Let's be honest. So I was thinking of getting them though if I got a new couch, but then I'm like, I don't know. It's hard to find a couch that has slip covers like that I can wash I don't know of any, but if you know of any, let me know. And then I was like, well, we'll get leather. But then I'm like, okay, well, I have a cat who likes to scratch things. And those nails will dig right into that leather, I'm thinking, and I don't know. And then I'm like, I was going to spend so much money. I was going to go to Restoration Hardware, spend so much money on a leather couch. And I'm like, and then I started looking up pictures of the couch I wanted. And pictures came up of the couch I wanted that people had for, like, they're trying to sell or something. I'm like, it looks like a wrinkled up prune, like a big fat prune wrinkled up. I'm like, I don't like the way that looks. And that's what's probably going to happen in a few years, maybe 5 years, I don't know. But I'm like, I'm not spending all that money on a couch that's going to look like a big prune. So I think I'm just going to keep my couch. So my husband's excited because it saves us money. So now I'm like, okay, well, now we got to get other things. Like I want to get new window treatments and this and that, new wall art or something. So I convinced him to take me today so we can get this done already, because I don't want to have a half-done living room. We painted. Let's just finish it up and enjoy it already, right? So that's what I'm going to do today. Product is in. Oh boy. I gotta stop touching it already, right? That's it. I'll just let it air dry and see what happens. Okay, hair is done. We're gonna sit here and see how long it takes to air dry my hair. Just kidding. It's funny, my daughter will go out with her hair wet, but her hair is not the same texture as mine. Her hair is thinner. It's not coarse at all. She has waves. I envy her because she has like perfect hair. I wouldn't say perfect, but she complains about it because when she was little, I don't know what to do with it. Her hair was really weird. But she doesn't really dry it when she does it wavy and curly. She lets it air dry and it dries fairly quick for her, but it never happened for me. So let's see. Oh, okay. So I'm done. Let's see what time it is. I guess that's it. I don't want to touch my hair, right? Because then it'll frizz up. So I won't touch it, and we'll see how long it takes for me to have my hair dry. I feel like it should be fully, though, too. Because you know what I remember hating? My hair would dry on the ends more first, and then I'd have it wet here. It was just a bad look. But we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so we're going to do some things, go shopping. Maybe I'll take you along for some things, I guess. And I'll stop talking. And, okay. Catch up with you in a bit. Okay, so we need to, do some changes here. We did paint. Hi, Boo-Boo. Hi, Pumpkin. Hey. Okay, so we painted, which is nice, because it's a lot brighter. And, that's the sun on the floor there. Coming through. I would definitely want to change up these window treatments. I love them. I really did, but it's time for change. I'm going to brighten it up. Don't mind the mess everywhere. I'm going to brighten it up. I'm trying to think what to do over there. I think I know what I want to do. So we're going to find out. I think I know what I want to do. I don't know if my husband's going to go for it, but yeah. So I'm excited. I got to get something for this big wall. We used to have a tapestry there. And that was moved because that was a dark tapestry. So I kind of wanted to brighten it up. And what's she doing? Yeah. So we're going to see. We're going to go to some stores. They have I don't know. I got the fence there because when we got Wilma, we thought we'd keep her in one section, and that lasted like a second because she jumped right over it. So we're giving that away. We don't need, because we don't have little babies anymore. And that's like such an old-fashioned fence. I don't know. And I'm going to get a rug. So, and because of Wilma, who does have accidents on all my rugs, I can't have rugs in this house because of you. Yeah. Why do you do that? You're a big girl. You can't go on the rugs. You okay? So I looked into it, and I'm going to get an indoor-outdoor rug so that you can clean it and wash it down if she has an accident. But she's not going to have an accident, right, Wilma? You're going to be good? What are you doing? You okay, Pumpkin? Oh, you see what she's doing. She's looking to where her treats are. Even though I gave her a treat already this morning. Your greenie, you already had one. You want another one? Okay, so my hair, I feel like I need to crunch it because it's not curly. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, it crunch it at the end and it gets frizzy.
Wait, what?
If you crunch it at the end, it doesn't get frizzy. But if you keep crunching it, then it...
That's why I'm saying I don't want to touch my hair.
Yeah.
But will it get curly though?
Yeah, like at the end, and like it looks really bad until the last second.
Oh, great. So I gotta go out like this.
Yeah.
Right, see,
Like
expert hair dryer.
You know, like my hair looks bad in the
Natural.
morning at school, but then when I leave school, my hair looks so good. 'Cause
Really?
It dries.
Yeah, but how long does it take?
No, not that long. It's like halfway through school. Or like, you know,
Well, see, but
it's
I
like
have a
2
lot.
periods after school.
My hair is so much thicker than yours. So, like, underneath is still wet.
Freezing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't like the way it looks now, but, like, there's not even curls to it.
Okay, but there will be.
Will there be?
Yeah.
All right, I guess we're going to find out. It's not even an hour. All right, hi.
Hey, you gonna measure the windows?
Yes, I'm air drying my hair today, so if you're embarrassed to be seen with me, sorry. Look at this breakfast that she just made for herself. She's got her vitamin C. Look at that vitamin C. Eggs. Oh, that season that I actually cut out for you, though. Turkey bacon. Are you putting anything on the waffle?
There's syrup on it.
Little pure syrup. Is that new? We have one back there.
No, I used it.
Oh, why don't you make me breakfast? I'm not allowed to get her because she says she doesn't look good, even though she looks beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going in the basement.
So wait. So I do scrunch it?
Maybe on the side, because it's not curly on the side. Maybe in the front. See? And it gets curly.
It's actually a little drying, only on the outside, but underneath is soaking wet. But all right.
See?
but
Actually,
now
your
it's
hair looks
flat.
like my hair.
Where you getting
dries.
coffee? Where are we going?
Mommy.
Yeah, that light is kind of ugly.
Looks like it's about the... It's the same rod you had here, right?
Yeah, it was
Still
kind of
got
tough
the
getting
fall.
it in.
Yeah, if it has to go back more. Maybe
It
it'll
covers
touch up.
my laundry. Okay. What is this? See, this is my problem. Like, even though my texture doesn't look bad, actually.
Talking to me or to the radio? I mean, to the people.
Talking to the people.
Okay.
It's not curly. You see that? That's what my concern was. It's wavy. It's actually pretty, though. Like, it's not frizzy. But, like, this didn't curl. I wonder if that's because of keratin. Hi, honey.
Alright.
And my hair is drying a lot quicker than I thought. Like, it's only an hour, and my hair, although it's really wet underneath, like really wet. But the outside part is pretty dry. I don't know. So I'll check in later, and we'll see how it went.
It's a little brighter than that.
It is brighter?
But... Two of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hold this so it doesn't film it. This is white.
I like it. Okay, my hair pretty much dried. Very little, actually no, it is damp. It is damp on my scalp, but I don't know, like it didn't dry. Some curls look pretty actually. And I guess it looks a little healthier. It's not as puffy, which is one thing that I really do like. I don't like puffiness, which I guess I get more in the diffuser. But it's not consistent, if that's the right word, all around. You know what I'm saying? I don't like that. I don't know what's going on there. What you thinking?
I need to eat.
What do you want to eat?
There's stuff down here, isn't it? Did I go the right way? Yeah, it's over there, right?
Chick-fil-A's here. So bad.
I went there yesterday, Chick.
You did?
So crowded. That's where we gotta go anyway, right? Straight
Yeah.
up?
Where are we? Oh, yeah, yeah. Is this new?
Oh.
Okay. I'll check back in later, let you know how it went at the end. Okay, guys, what time is it? Okay, it's after 3. My hair did dry around 1:20, like fully, like underneath fully, because it was like, it looked dry out here, felt dry, but underneath was really wet, which is fine. My hair doesn't look as puffy, you know, like it looks nice actually. Like it doesn't look coarse, but there's like not a lot of curls to it. And I have a lot of like frizz. Like that's not curly. Like this here is especially not curly. But maybe I could have like done some twirls. That would have been better. I only did a couple twirls here, although those twirls didn't pan out too well either. I don't know. It's not bad. These look pretty. It's not bad. You know what? I just wanted to see how long it takes to air dry my hair, see how it came out, if it's any better, any different, any worse. I mean, I'm sure it's not, I don't think it's that bad, but I think it's just a preference, right? I prefer to use the diffuser to get nicer curls. That's just how I like to do it. So there's no right or wrong here. It's whatever you like to do. And you could definitely save time if you don't have to dry your hair, right? Like with the diffuser, you could just run out of the house like that, and by the time you get to work, kind of fluff it up a little. But yeah, it's about what you like to do. I just haven't done it in so long. I wanted to give it a try. So conclusion, I don't know. I'm going to stick to my diffuser because I just feel comfortable. I don't like having the wet hair. It's just like my own like thing. I like to just leave the house fully done. That's it. So that's my thing. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until next time, have a great day.